2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. The Wrangler JK is built with adventure in mind. Its rugged style is paired perfectly with power and performance. Not to be outdone, the interior comes equipped with plenty of technology, storage, and sound system capabilities.
This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, MP3 player, power door locks, fog lamps. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.